This is Kilo Juliet 1 Kilo, located in Fox Nancy 32 Kilo Papa, the eastern overlook of Mount Greylock, and this is a simulation of some contacts being made. First one will be made with K1WHS, and you can see that the computer says that K1WHS is located at Fox Nancy 43 Mike Juliet, and it calculates that the raw bearing to K1WHS is approximately 64 degrees. My Honda element is pointing about 20 degrees from true north, so the rotor bearing should go to 44 degrees. So we'll command the rotor to go, and it's going now, and you can see the rotor had been at 180 degrees, and we're heading off to about 44 degrees. So we'll just wait for that to finish there. The rotor's running off 18 volts DC. Okay, and it stopped at 45 degrees, so that's pretty good. Actually it says 44, which is even better. Okay, so let's assume that we make the contact with K1WHS, and that maybe the next thing we want to do is work K1TEO, and the computer says that K1TEO is located at Fox Nancy 31 Juliet Hotel, and the calculated raw bearing is 183 degrees, so we want to go to 163 degrees. Again, we move the rotor and we look for it to hopefully go to 163 degrees. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so let's assume that we make the contact with Jeff down in Connecticut, and we log that, and then maybe the next thing we want to do is work K3 TUF, and the computer says that K3 TUF is in Fox Nancy 10 Whiskey Echo, which is at a raw bearing of 223 degrees, and so we want to go to 203, 204 degrees. So we command the rotor to move, and we're on our way here. Okay, so we have stopped at 202 degrees here, and let's assume that we might need to refine the position a little bit, so we can just bump the angle a little bit there, and now that's up to 205 degrees. Okay, let's assume we make the contact there, and we log the QSO, and let's call it a day. So we'll put it back to the park position, which we can do by simply hitting the reset button on the rotor controller. It should go back to 180 degrees, and it's on its way back. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and thank you very much for your interest. This is KJ1K Rover.